Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Sean Sports Cards. Today we are opening up a semi-new product, Score Fat Packs. I haven't opened up any Score yet, but we did score some Fat Packs of this new football product. If you want to pause that, you can see what's in that. You can get rookie signatures and stuff in here, which is pretty cool. Each Fat Pack contains 40 cards. I think these ran me like $5 or $6. I think $6. We got 4 of them. But you get exclusive dot gold parallels. I'm not really sure what those are. But they also come with the reds in here. I think you get like a couple reds a pack. But without further ado, let's get into it. It's got the new rookie class, but they are in their collegiate unis. But I mean, hey, if you score a good a numbered or a parallel Trevor Lawrence or something, can't really go wrong there. It would be so awesome to pull a Trevor Lawrence auto, but in retail it's hard, but especially, fat packs, $6 packs. You're not going to see stuff like that all the time. Very, very rare. And here come our red parallels. Next level insert. I like the game face insert. JJ Watt, that's pretty cool. We got a Trey Lance rookie card. So we'll put that to the side. Next level stats, Tom Brady. You know what, we'll put that to the side. We have a 3D insert, Dion, Champ Bailey, Charles Woodson. I kind of like that too. Another 3D. Joe Burrow. Oh, this is pretty cool. 2019 NCAA national champion. That's pretty cool. It's got his, him in college with LSU on the left, him with the Bengals on the right. We'll put that to the side. Good second year card. Jamie Newman. Rookie card. I like some of the artwork on here. It's pretty cool. Score, nobody really likes Score that much, but I don't know, it's not looking too shabby this year. They do make a ton of it, so it's very hard to hit anything. It's kind of like Topps to me, Topps baseball. Let's get some focus here. And we're on our reds now. We have Jerry Rice. Troy Polamalu. Oh, Patrick Mahomes. Score team. Too bad that wasn't a red, but hey, we'll take it. Julio score team. Oh, we got a Trevor Lawrence. We got us a Trevor Lawrence. Let's go ahead and sleeve that one up. It's a little off center. Actually a good bit off center, but we will take it. It's our first one, hopefully not our last. And let's finish this pack. Zach Smith, Peyton Ramsey, Hunter Long, I think we already saw these. Alright, so one more fat pack left to go after this one. We already got a Trevor Lawrence and a Trey Lance. So we still need a couple of the top quarterbacks. Mainly Justin Fields. Oh, Rodrigo. Georgia boy. Oh, Gronk. And it's a spike. Oh, put that to the side. Jalen Hurts, second year. Chase Claypool, red. Tua, second year. Andrew Swift, next level. Josh Allen. Lamar Chase, rookie. We got a Mac Jones. That is the one besides Trevor Lawrence. You know that I pretty much... Ooh, Kyle Pitts. Put that to the side. He's with my Falcons now. All right. Last fat pack, guys. That was probably the best one to me. You know, I had a Mac Jones and a Kyle Pitts. We got a Pat Mahomes. Put that to the side. You know, that's kind of, to me, that's like pulling a Jordan. Not saying he's done anything like Jordan has, you know, but he could end up being Jordan-like. So we have yet to get a good red. We did get a rookie finally. Shane Buechele, or Buechele. Patrick Mahomes score team. Put that to the side. Sorry guys for not flipping them over. It's just, they're just all messed up. Doesn't look like we're getting an auto. But hey, we got all the top rookies besides Justin Fields. You know what? Let's open 2 more. I did get a couple more. See if we can't get that Justin Fields. We got a Tom Brady. Put that to the side. Devontae Smith. Put that to the side. All right, nothing in that one. Good to say, you know, like all the good rookies aren't in every pack. I was kind of worried about that. But we pretty much got everybody. You know, within 6 fat packs. Just no Justin Fields yet. Oh, we got a Tom Brady red. I didn't know he won a national championship in college for Michigan. I didn't know that. So how was he really that unknown? If that man's a national champion. Was he the backup? Let me know in the comments. Oh, we got a Justin Fields finally. Let's sleeve that guy up. Let's go ahead and sleeve up this Trey Lance and this Mac Jones. Mac Jones is way off center. Way off center. Alright, I think I missed this pack up. I think these cards got switched around a little bit. Oh, we got a Tom Brady. That's pretty cool. Him in the snow. So we got a good bit of Tom Brady's. I mean, I'm not a personal fan, man, but, you know, it's like getting Jordans. Like, he is the Jordan of the NFL. You know, Patrick Mahomes could be, but we know what Tom Brady's done so far. Oh, we got us a Bulldog, Azeez Ojulari. That will go in the PC. Then second year next level stats, Justin Herbert. That will go to the side as well. Oh, we got another Trevor Lawrence. We got another Trevor Lawrence. We still haven't pulled the base Trevor Lawrence, but we have got 2 of these, which I really like them. It's got the old school look. This one's off center as well, but we will take it. Any Trevor Lawrence is a good Trevor Lawrence. Justin Herbert, score team. And that is it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go over these cards, the main hits. Trevor Lawrence score 21, Mac Jones base, Justin Fields score 21, Trey Lance score 21, and another Trevor Lawrence score 21. So obviously the bases of the Trevor Lawrence and them guys is rare. But I really like the inserts and everything we scored this year. I know that it's overproduced, a lot of it, but that's not saying that the rookies are overproduced. I don't think they are. Especially 10s. I mean, a lot of these cards are off-center. So tell me if y'all like it in the comments or what y'all think about the score this year. And as always, hope y'all enjoyed. Have a great Memorial Day. I'm out.